What's up, guys? This is Ravia, and you are listening to the Brown Girl Rants. We are in 2025. It's 2nd of January today, and you might be listening to this podcast on 3rd of January or 4th or 5th, whatever. But still, we are still like pretty new. It's like the first week of 2025. I was about to say 2024. It will take a while for me to process that we are in 2025, but we are in it. And I wish everyone who is listening to the podcast, I wish and pray a very amazing year for you ahead and all of us. And we'll get into the whole thing in a while, because this is what the whole podcast is about. So we'll get into it in a while. Hopefully by the end of this podcast you will feel amazing. If you are, I hope you are feeling amazing, but if you're not, then I hope this podcast helps you. And okay, first of all, update. My phone got fixed, and I know that was not even in my option. That was not even in my bingo card. I was like, I'm either gonna sell this phone or I'm gonna sell this phone. I did not even think for once I can just get this phone fixed, because I was scared of getting this phone opened and then it just gets more sensitive and all. But this phone was already opened, and I didn't knew that, because we were scammed by someone sold us this phone. Like, we didn't knew about these things, but that's fine. Shit happens. We live and we learn, and it's fine. But in this situation, I just could not afford to get a new phone, especially a new iPhone, even a new phone. I could not. I don't think I could have got a new phone. Like, banta hi nahi tha mera. So I'm just glad that I was able to get this fixed. And it's working fine now. It's good, and I might just get a new phone where I can put in my SIM, and for it to just be good with call and SMS, and I can like share the hotspot in this phone, and we are good to go. So I am very grateful that the case was solved. The problem was solved. What case, Ramya? The problem was solved, and we just have one less now tension in life, which is great. So yeah, that's the phone update. I'm recording the podcast from my phone, and it's been great. Now, secondly, it will be, I don't know exactly on what date. I think it's January 4th, but it will be 2 years since I started the Brown Girl Rants. But I'm pretty sure I am sure I started in the first week of January, the first Wednesday of January, which I think that time was 4th of July, June, not even June or July, 4th of January. And since we are in the first week of January, so we have completed 2 years of this podcast, and that makes me so happy. This podcast is genuinely like one of the best thing I have ever done. I am not even kidding, and it just makes me so happy. I hope it makes the other people happy as well. And whenever someone have like messaged me back, or whenever someone have told me anything about the podcast, even if it's a recommendation, it just makes me feel so good. Okay, people are listening, because I never expected more than 4 people to listen to it. Like, and a lot of people listen to it, and some of the people stick with me and still are listening to this, and it's been 2 years and still are listening to every single episode. And I cannot speak, but that's fine. My only goal with this podcast is to be consistent. I know I have not been consistent with this podcast, but it's okay. It's a Thursday night right now, and I have to get this podcast up till tomorrow. Or pehle ye hota tha, the podcast would be up in the morning. On Wednesday morning, the podcast would be up. I would get ready, post stories, and it was like a whole day. Like, Wednesday was a Brown Girl Rants day. But I am not in the same situation now. Pehle ye hota tha कि it was easier for me to edit, because I would just edit while working. Now, editing editing podcast is not that hard, and I realized that after I edited YouTube videos is like very, very, very difficult. Podcast episodes, especially if you have a solo podcast, it's very easy. I just listen to what I say, and if there's like something I feel like, oh, I need to cut that out, this is not something I want to put कि क्या मैंने मोंगी मारी है, तो I just cut that out. Like, and it's usually not a lot of, like, it's usually doesn't require that much editing, so I just need to like proofread it, proof listen it, and if there's something that I think is dumb, and I would be like, why would I say that, I cut that, and the podcast is good to go. But like if there's like two people, or there's more than two people, and there's like more than 2-3 audios that you're dealing with, then obviously it's a little bit more difficult. But the thing is that now, since I go on a job now, I get very less time to edit. I come back at 7, and uske baad I don't want to do anything. But hopefully we'll get it edited and posted at night. I don't think it will be possible to post it on Friday's morning. I'm trying to like be better. It's Thursday right now, so my goal is to record another episode on this coming Sunday, so that I have a whole week to edit, and then I can post it on Friday morning. So this is what our plan is. Obviously, we got back to the podcast after weeks of skipping it, so we need to get into the routine. But at the same time, it's fine. I think obviously with season 1 I just had more time to devote to this podcast. Now I don't, because I have a job, and there are other things that I want to also do this year. But मुझे लगता है कि for me this podcast is something that brings me a lot of pleasure, so I do not want to skip this podcast, because I want to do something else. I think this podcast is like the best thing like there for me, so I hope I just find the time and the energy to continue it. But I don't have any plans to ever end this podcast, to be honest. Like, I just think I'll keep doing it, even if no one listens to it, because I genuinely just don't check now, okay, who have listened to it, how many people have listened to it, which podcast, which episode is most like streamed episode. I don't really like go and see these things. If I have a guest on the podcast, then I sometimes do, to see like, okay, did it make a difference? Because obviously when you have guests, so they have their own audience, so maybe they bring that as well. So then I like to see, okay, what's the comparison. But I don't usually go and see, okay, how many people listen to it. I more than the listeners count, I more appreciate if one person listened to it and actually like got back to me and told me, okay, what their favorite part was about the episode. So yeah. But yeah, I plan to do this podcast forever. That's it. That's my Brown Girl Rats speech. 2 years completion speech, and many more years to come. And yeah, I am here to stay. I am not gonna go anywhere. I hope my 4 or 5 loyal listeners stay. I hope you guys stay. Now, if I reflect back on 2024, so for me, again, ever since I graduated, time have been not a real thing for me. Like, it have been a real thing for me, but I just don't know where the time goes by. Like, for me, it's literally the same. Like, I cannot believe it's been 2.5 years. For me, it's just been 6 months since I graduated still. But it's months, year, 2.5 years. So for me, time, I don't know where the time goes by. And a part of me feel, okay, maybe I didn't achieve enough. I am the same person. But then when I look into it, I realize there's just so much I learned. Even last year alone, I think I'm a different person now. I'm a different person than I was on January 2024. There's so much you learn, and that you do when you are just living with people and in an environment, or you're going out, you're meeting new people. So you just like learn all these things and see, okay, what are the things that I want to pick, and what are the things in myself that I don't want to move forward with. So I think a lot of things have changed in me, some good, some bad. But 2024 have been, I think for me, 2024 have been like really busy, not with my own stuff, with other people's stuff, but it was important enough it was important enough. I am sorry, I'm fumbling so much. It was important enough that I was also engaged in those things. I think if you remember, I remember my last year podcast on the new year, and I was like, okay, I have this wedding and we are preparing for that wedding, and uske baad रमज़ान फ़ौरन आ रहा है, रमज़ान ख़त्म होने के बाद आई विल सी कि व्हाट आई वांट टू डू. ओके, तो इस वजह से मुझे लगता है कि आई डिडंट गॉट लाइक मतलब कि it was just very like quick of. I think the only thing that happened for me personally was that I switched jobs, and I think it was like a very big change, or obviously a lot of things changed with that huge change, क्योंकि first I was working remotely and now I do an on-site job. But उसके अलावा not a lot happened for me personally, but a lot happened for the people around me. Like my brother moved to abroad, and there were a lot of weddings that I attended, और मुझे लगता है कि there was guest come over and all these things, and I think we lived and we learned, and it's okay. मुझे लगता है कि not every year is gonna be a year where you just achieve something massive. Sometimes it's the little steps. और मुझे लगता है कि it's great. Now on the like low side, I think I cried a lot this year. Like I think कि मेरा पूरा जिंदगी का रोना एक तरफ, और जो पिछले साल में जितना रोई हूँ वो एक तरफ है. लाइक आई डोंट नो व्हाई. आई थिंक कि it's gone very better now. I think कि अब उस तरह नहीं है, लेकिन I think कि I cried a lot this year, और it's okay. I think it's not a bad thing, but मेरे साथ अब ये होता है, whenever I cry my head starts hurting so bad. Like I get insane migraine, if it's what it I can call it. मेरा सर इतना दर्द करता है, my head, like it literally, I cry and it feels like my head is gonna explode. So I don't enjoy crying now, and I try avoiding it, क्योंकि I just don't feel good after it. Then I have to sleep in order to feel better. So yeah, I don't like. I think crying is a good thing, and you should like. मतलब कि it's okay. I think it's not like a bad thing or something, but or it does not show weakness. But I get physically weak. My head just does not function. I cannot do anything after tearing up and shedding tears. So yeah, that's that. But other than that, I think if you look at those little things, which I want us to do for 2025 as well, we need to see and the little things, like the blessings we are given. Like I am, and whenever going out and interacting with people, I just get constantly reminded how privileged I am, and how many facilities I have, how many blessings I have. So मुझे लगता है कि first of all, it's just so important to appreciate all the little things and have gratitude of all the things you are. Like if you start seeing, there's just so many things for us to be grateful of, and I think that's like the number one point, and that's the number one thing that we should like get in with the new year, that all the things that are given to us, and the life we are living, and all the people we have, and all the facilities we have. So I think it's very 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 important. It keeps you grounded. It मेक्स यू फील लेस मिजरेबल, क्योंकि अगर आप सिर्फ यही देखते रहोगे कि ओ मैंने अचीव क्या किया, मैंने ट्रैवल नहीं किया, बाकी लोग यहाँ निकल गए, मेरी सैलरी नहीं इंक्रीज़ हुई, मेरा बोनस नहीं बढ़ा, मेरा CGPA नहीं बढ़ा, अगर मैं उसी चीज़ में रह जाऊँगी ना और वही चीज़ों से अपना सक्सेस डिफाइन करने लग जाऊँगी, तो आई वुड जस्ट बी मिजरेबल. सो आई नीड टू सी के ओके, बट आई गॉट दिस and I got this and I have this and Allah provided me this and all of these things. So I think it's very 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 important, first of all, कि whatever things that you have, your parents, your siblings, your friend, appreciate those things, and appreciate that you have those things right now, and you can like they make your life worth living. So I think it's very important to get into this year with a feeling of gratitude about everything, and then practicing it throughout the year and throughout our lives. So new year is here, and with new year we have this whole package. I was about to say baggage, but baggage sounds like a negative word. We have this whole package of new year resolutions, new year goals, new year habits, new year new me, new year old me, and like all these things, and all these people posting their 2024 rap. They're like, I posted my favorite days from 2024. Like there's just a lot of information and content and everything, and it could be overwhelming. So I'm just here to calm you down and just sort things out for you and myself, because I need to hear and say these things out aloud for myself as well. So hopefully we'll be lighter and we'll just know what we want to do at the end of this podcast, and we'll figure things out. It's okay. We got this. Okay. So first of all, I think something I have noticed is that मैं पिछले 2 सालों से I would always tell my resolutions on the podcast कि oh, I have this resolution, I want to do this, and और मैं, to be honest, I need to look back and see कि what my resolutions actually were. लेकिन I would say I have been saying these 2 things for the past like 2 years that are like main resolutions, and they have not happened. And it's not like they would have happened for me themselves, like by luck or something. No, I was the one responsible to not get them, because I didn't do anything to get those things, to achieve those goals, to achieve those resolutions. So this time I am not gonna say it out aloud, or if someone is intelligent enough, they would know कि मेरे क्या हो सकते हैं. They're very clear cut, like not even like कोई rocket science नहीं. Like I just don't wanna say it, क्योंकि मैंने देखा है कि जब भी मैं किसी चीज़ की ज़्यादा प्लानिंग करूँ ना, और जब मैं ज़्यादा सोचूँ कि नहीं मुझे ये चीज़ करनी है, मुझे ये चीज़ आना चाहिए, मुझे यही चीज़ करनी है, it does not just work out for me. Sometimes I just need to like just get in it without thinking, or maybe just give it a little bit thought. But if it sounds right, if it seems right, so I just need to get into it, which I'm gonna do. So I would like actually say the same for you. And after, I think I cannot like give abhi apni example right now, because it's the things are still in process. Like, and once the things happen, so I would just like, I will let you guys know exactly how things work for me. But for right now, I would say that whenever I plan too much, and when I'm like, oh, I want to get into this specific university, or I want to do this specific thing, I want to like have, मुझे बस नॉर्दर्न जाना ही जाना है, मुझे ये ट्रिप करना ही करना है, मुझे इंटरनेशनल ट्रिप करना है, मुझे स्कॉटलैंड जाना है. When I like too much fixate on these things, they just don't happen. So I need to just like calm down and keep myself open for new things. But at the same time, I need to like have this like rough goal. Okay, I want to do this, and these are the things that could make me achieve these things. So yeah, I think and we'll get into more detail about it with मतलब कि in this episode, obviously. लेकिन ये होता है. Here's the thing. जब you are a student, or which you are like since you maybe like you just started, like you just remember things, okay? You know, मतलब कि you are studying ever since you remember कि how old were you, get it right? Okay, so I think when you are a student, when you're studying, it's always like this like straight line for you, like go this, अब ये करना है, अब वो करना है. Yes, बीच में there is a time when you have to make a difficult decision where you have to choose what career path you have to opt. But once you get into that degree, you just have to like study, and you have your whole thing planned. There are 2 semesters, they have things planned कि इस time आपके midterm होने हैं. You don't have a choice, like you are going how they are taking you. लेकिन here's the thing, once you graduate, you actually are in control of things yourself. Like yes, my parents still have an influence over the decisions I make, but at the end of the day, it's my decision. Matlab, I wanted to do this job that I'm doing right now, that's why I did. And my parents said, yes, it seems right, you can do it. They gave their approval. But if I would have told them that I don't actually want to do it, they would be like, okay, we get it, it's okay. If I come to them tomorrow and say, okay, I'm gonna quit this job and find a new one, they'll be like, okay, whatever suits you. So they're not the one who are making my life's decision. They would say, okay, Rabia, what about your higher studies? But if I tell them, oh, I don't feel like I want to do masters after a bachelor's degree, I think I'm good with this degree, they'll be like, okay, sure. So I am the one who is making my life decision. I am the one who have to save money. I am the one who would who would like decide for myself if I want to continue this job, or if I want to switch, or if I want to do this or that. They are not the one. And as much as liberating and good it is, sometimes it's hard to push yourself. It's so hard to make goals for yourself and to push yourself. Yes, I think being in a class मतलब कि being in a class and having this goal कि, oh, I want to have this specific marks, it's a different thing. But just like pushing yourself every single day and being the only person and working towards it, when you know that there's no one to force you, if you will give up on it, no one will literally give like two damns about it. Like no one really care about it, and you are the one who care about it. But at the same time, sometimes you just want to quit, and sometimes you're lazy, and sometimes you procrastinate. So there's just nothing that could push you, or like all these things. So it's just a bit hard. Like with waking up at in the morning, obviously I have a job now, so I have to wake up and get to the job. But when I was working remotely and I had my job in the night, I just didn't have anyone to tell me कि, oh, I need to wake up early in the morning. So I would sometimes force myself, because for my own for my own lifestyle, okay, I need to wake up early. But at the same time, like, it's me and the lifestyle I want to build for myself, okay, I need to like push myself towards it. No one's gonna tell you what to do. And sometimes when you like after a certain period, you wish someone would, and you, wow, I can't speak, you wish someone could tell you what to do, even though sometimes you don't want to listen to other people. But at the same time, sometimes you want to do, like, sometimes I want my parent to come and tell me कि Rabia, we want you to do masters from this university, हमने तुम्हारा admission करा दिया, and you have no other option. Obviously this is not a good thing, or obviously they would not do that to me. Like, and sometimes I get so confused in my own decision कि I am not able to make a decision for myself, कि I just want someone to like take my hand and just tell me that this is the right decision for you, and just go there, which is obviously it's not possible. And you just have to take responsibility for yourself, and you can, it's your decision to choose ke, oh, I just want to keep going the way my life is, or I would make myself a little uncomfortable and switch up things so that I could achieve to this goal. So this is something, if you are not like graduated yet, this is something that I personally struggle with. Ke, even with the podcast, I really wanted to do it. And when I tell you, even though the podcast is my hobby and something I always wanted to do, I procrastinated 2-3 months to get it, because I would just not watch videos to get information on how to post it, how to do it. So I think procrastination and laziness exists, but if you want to get something, you have to make an effort to get it. You have to, like, I am procrastinating updating my CV. So, and no one's gonna tell me, no one's gonna give me like this deadline ke make your CV. So I have to do it myself. Or इस वजह से मुझे लगता है कि सबसे बड़ी चीज़ ये है कि अगर आपने अपनी, ऑब्वियसली आप स्कूल में या यूनिवर्सिटी में हो, यू हैव टू गेट योर असाइनमेंट डन बाय द टाइम द टीचर सेज. इफ़ यू आर इन ऑफिस, यू हैव टू डू दिस प्रोजेक्ट बाय द डेडलाइन. लेकिन अगर आपका कोई पर्सनल गोल है, उसके लिए आपको किसी ने फोर्स नहीं करना. अगर आपने उसको अचीव करना है तो खुद ही करना है. और क्योंकि आप बाकी जो कॉर्पोरेट लाइफ या फिर एकेडमिक लाइफ के गोल्स में इतना ड्रेन हो जाते हो कि आप कहते हो कि नो, आई जस्ट वांट टू चिल, I don't want to wake up on the weekend and go to gym, like, or maybe go to gym at night, क्योंकि I am in control. And I even मतलब कि I would not. फिर at the end of the day, at the end of the year, you're like, okay, it did not went the way I planned. I did not achieve this or achieve that. So that's something that I personally really struggle with, but I want to get better with this year. Now, when it comes to goals, resolutions, and working towards them, I think it's not just the same for every single person. Every single person have their different lives, have their different things going on. So I cannot tell every single person that you should do things the way I do, because I am not doing the way everyone else is doing. Like, there's hundreds of videos on YouTube where they're like, okay, do this from day one, do this. Maybe I am busy on day one. Maybe it's my holiday. Maybe I don't want to do this on day one. Now, as I know, a lot of people have exams right now, have their semester exams right now. So they cannot just start the new year with these like goals that they make from for themselves, because they have exams right now. Maybe after the exams they can think about the things they want to do, and that time it's February. So it's still valid for you to begin in February. Maybe you have your semester break and you just want to relax and chill because you worked hard the whole semester, and now you have your holidays, so you just want to enjoy those days. So with everyone it is different. Someone will do it on their first day of their new semester, someone will do it on the 1st of January, someone have someone's close wedding going on, or just something that is like occupying their mind, and they're like, okay, I'll start everything after it. For me it aligns perfectly this time, because I had all those things that I was occupied in, and in like January mid, or uske baad I took my sweet time. I took my 2 weeks, because obviously I don't exactly have 2 weeks. I just have like 2 weekends क्योंकि obviously I am working, and वो वाले दिन like निकाल ही दो. It's just sleeping and going and just coming back and sleeping and going. So I just don't have a lot to like think about myself. So that's, I deserve those things for like Saturday and Sunday. So I gave myself the time to collect myself and see कि okay मुझे क्या करना है, what I want for this year and how I want to do it, what's going on. So I just made like a rough like things कि these are the things I want to do. And then I think it's important कि थोड़ी सी क्लैरिटी हो. अब जब मैं सोचती हूँ कि ओके मुझे ये चीज़ करनी है, तो फॉर मी द हार्ड पार्ट इज़ टू स्टार्ट. once you start and once you are in it, I think then it's very easy, and once you get like comfortable with it, then you like can go with it. So it's not like कि मुझे वो चीज़ें बस ख़त्म करनी है इसी साल. For me it's more like okay, I want to start working on it. I want to add these things in my like life and routine. Now मुझे लगता है कि for me the past 2 years have been like not that hectic in that way. मुझे लगता है कि I like relax, and I take sometimes I take a seat back and I just let things going. I go with the flow. I don't like, sometimes it's obviously I am like waking up every day and doing stuff. Like it's not like I just lay down and I'm like okay, I'm not gonna work for the coming weeks. I'm doing it, but I'm not using my brain that much over it or not stressing about the things. So I think I took it very easy for the past, like not very easy but a little easy for the past 2 years. And I think for this year I want to be a bit more fast and quicker. Obviously you don't know how your life's gonna change and what can happen, and you don't know the future, but I have my personal goals that I want to achieve, and I think I am ready to be just more like just give more, just work harder and work more this year in order for me to have my next 2-3 years peacefully, or maybe the rest of my life. So I think I'm just gonna be a little bit hard on myself this year. Not hard, like I'm just gonna work hard and work more so that I could just like get through it, because I think I had enough rest after my graduation years and after my like end of student life. And I think there are some things that I would really like to achieve. And obviously वही बात है कि no one's pushing me to do these things. These are things that I personally want to do. obviously my life will still go great if I don't do those things, लेकिन at the same time at the back of my head I want to do those things, and I think it's a good time. ओके मैं सोच सकती हूँ, मुझे लगता है कि आई नीडेड दोज 2 years फॉर माई सेल्फ टू लाइक जस्ट प्रोसेस एंड जस्ट टू बी देयर एंड टू हैव and to do these amazing things like having a podcast, going out with friends. Now I think I have rested enough, and obviously I'm gonna still rest, but I think I'm just ready to be in it, and that's just the situation I am in. No one else, matlab ke maybe no one else could relate to it. Maybe you are at your point where you worked hard for the past like 3-4 years, and now it's time for you to just take a seat back and relax for a while, maybe a month or two, and just like maybe for me, I call it, I make my brain just stop functioning. I just go with the flow and just chill. And I think this weather is also like really just nice to just take the pleasure in little things and just enjoy, read something, watch something. But for me, I think I wasted enough time. I'm gonna use less phone, and I'm gonna like focus on the things that are actually important, so that by the not by the end of this year, but by the like when we get into another when we get into the next year, like things are a little sorted, maybe after quarter of this year or half of this year. So that's my plan. But obviously I am not gonna be, I said I'm gonna be hard on myself, but that's not what I meant. I was like, I took it very easy for the past like 2 years, that I have this energy and motivation to work hard now. But I think it's very important to be mild and not take that much stress at a certain point in your life. मुझे लगता है कि you have to like, मुझे लगता है कि you also like want peace and contentment in your life, and you know, okay, I can like push myself harder, I can work, I can do 2 jobs, I can earn more money, lekin it would sometimes, it just does not gives you peace. Or for me personally, I think everyone just choose their own fighter, everyone choose their own like options, what success means to them, क्योंकि at the end of the day we are doing these goals to achieve something and to have this achievement. और मुझे लगता है कि and to like feel successful and everything, मुझे लगता है कि everyone have their own definition of successful. Someone think of professional success, someone thinks of academic success to achieve this certain CGPA, someone thinks ke monetary wise success, ke they want to earn more, someone thinks ke mentally, ke they want to be at a better place mentally, someone could think with their relationship, with like their gym routine or फिटनेस जर्नी. तो हर किसी की अपनी अपनी डेफिनेशन है, और मुझे लगता है कि फॉर मी एट द एंड ऑफ द डे वी आर डूइंग ऑल ऑफ दिस. हम पैसा भी इसलिए ज़्यादा कमाना चाहते हैं क्योंकि हम खुश रहना चाहते हैं, और हमें लगता है कि उससे हमारे मसले हल हो जाएंगे. तो अगर उस सब के चक्कर में, उस चीज़ को अचीव करने के चक्कर में मैं अपनी खुशी मार रही हूँ, तो मेरे लिए वो चीज़ उस तरह वर्थ इट नहीं है. तो आई वॉन्ट टू अचीव दीज थिंग्स, बट आई एम नॉट गना लाइक सेक्रीफाइस माई सेल्फ फॉर दीज थिंग्स. आई स्टिल वॉन्ट टू enjoy life. I still want to like act like a human and not a robot who just does not have feelings, does not feel hungry, and just is not interacting enough with with the people around me. I just don't want to feel like that. So for me, peace and contentment is very important, and if I am not achieving that, because at the end of the day I want that, and sometimes you can get that with less money, sometimes you can get that with like your one job, sometimes you get it, okay. Sometimes you can get that with the CGPA you have, and maybe जस्ट मुझे लगता है कि एट द एंड ऑफ द डे आई जस्ट डोंट वांट टू बी मिजरेबल. और उसके लिए सबसे पहली चीज़ ये है कि स्टॉप लुकिंग एट अदर पीपल. आई थिंक एवरीवन सेज दैट, आई एम गोना से दैट टू. आई थिंक कि मैं किसी और को देख के, स्पेशली नाउ ऑब्वियसली आई सी पीपल दैट आर यंगर देन मी और उनको ग्रेजुएट होते साथ बेहतर अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ मिल जाती हैं, उनको ज़्यादा उनकी स्टार्टिंग सैलरी मुझसे ज़्यादा मतलब कि हो जाती है, लेकिन मैं वो चीज़ों पे अपने आप को मिजरेबल नहीं कर सकती. आई डिड व्हाट वाज बेस्ट फॉर मी, द गिवन अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ फॉर मी, जो मेरे लिए लिखा था. दे आर डूइंग व्हाट वाज गुड फॉर देम, सो आई कैन नॉट बी मिजरेबल सीइंग अदर पीपल के. एंड वी शुड नॉट बी लाइक अफ्रेड of these things ever, क्योंकि it's gonna happen, it's bound to happen. Someone will be more successful than you and you cannot be at the top, and if you will be at the top, I don't think that's like the most like happiest like thing, or it would be just be मतलब कि it's good to be on the top. I don't think so. तो मुझे लगता है कि it's very important for me. The only goal for me every year is कि I want to do better than I was doing last year. तो मैं अपने गोल्स खुद ही बनाऊंगी, उस पर मैंने खुद ही काम करना है. मुझे किसी को देख के नहीं करना कि ये इंसान कर रहा है तो मुझे भी करना है, मुझे भी इतना पैसा कमाना जितना ये कर रहा है. अगर मैं किसी और को देख के करूँगी तो मैं फिर कभी भी नहीं सक्सेसफुल फील कर सकूँगी या अचीव्ड फील कर मतलब कि अचीव्ड इज़ दैट यू रिमेंबर अच्छा फील करूँगी, क्योंकि वो इंसान को मैं क्रॉस करूँगी, एक और इंसान आएगा, उसको क्रॉस करूँगी, एक और इंसान आएगा. तो मुझे लगता है इट्स जस्ट नॉट वर्थ इट फॉर मी to look at someone and define my success for that person. I need to do better than I was doing last year, and that could also be कि how you were doing like emotionally. Like I was emotionally मतलब कि आई वॉन्ट टू बी इमोशनली बेटर दिस ईयर देन आई वॉज लास्ट ईयर. तो मुझे लगता है कि इफ़ यू फील बेटर अबाउट योर सेल्फ एंड इफ़ यू फील कि ओके दीज आर द थिंग्स दैट आई मतलब कि मेरे प्रोफेशनली मेरे अंदर जो ग्रोथ आई है, ये मेरी चीज़ें पर्सनली ग्रोथ आई है, देन दैट्स गुड. मतलब कि आपको अब कंपटीशन अपना ही बनाना चाहिए. जैसे आई से ना कि वी नीड टू बी अ बेटर वर्जन ऑफ आवर सेल्फ एवरी सिंगल डे. वी डोंट नीड टू चेंज आवर सेल्फ like literally change ourselves to just fit into like some like perfect example of the perfect person. We just need to be ourselves and be the best version of ourselves. And when you are like around people and when you see people and when you are like reading and listening and watching stuff जिसमें जो है there's wisdom and there's knowledge and there's just good stuff, तो आप खुद ही जो है you will like learn and grow and like see कि okay what I want to take from this and what I want to leave from myself. So I think if with time you just grow and you realize कि okay मतलब ये मुझे अपने साथ लेके जाना है और ये मुझे अपने साथ नहीं लेके जाना है. मैं बहुत सी चीज़ें 2024 में अपनी छोड़ के जा रही हूँ एंड आई थिंक कि इट्स जस्ट फॉर द बेटर. सो आई थिंक कि the only goal I have in mind कि I want to do better. The goals I made are my personal goals. I didn't see anyone कि okay ये बंदा ये कर रहा है तो मुझे भी ये करना है. तो आई थिंक इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि हम अपने आप को एज ए इंडिविजुअल देखें और हम देखें कि वो क्या चीज़ है जो हमें पर्सनली करनी है, ना तो कि इस इंसान ने भी की है तो मुझे भी करनी है. अगेन आई वुड से जस्ट बी अ लिटिल माइल्ड. yes, work hard, but at the same time don't sacrifice yourself. It's not worth it. मुझे लगता है कि don't take it so much on yourself that you just stop enjoying the little things. Sometimes you have to go मतलब कि leave and just be with your parents and talk to them and enjoy the little things. Enjoy watching the sunset with them. Enjoy eating dry fruits with them. Sometimes you like have to give those little moments. Sometimes you just need to go to that hang out with your friends. Sometimes you need to be there for your siblings. Sometimes you need to watch a show. You need to watch a book. So like keep थिंग्स दैट गिव यू प्लेजर ऑल्सो इन योर लाइफ, वरना लाइफ बहुत बोरिंग हो जाएगी अगर मैं सिर्फ मतलब कि इफ़ आई एम जस्ट वर्किंग एंड आई एम जस्ट डूइंग इट, और इफ़ आई एम नॉट गेटिंग द प्लेजर एंड माई लाइफ इज़ बोरिंग एंड आई जस्ट वॉन्ट टू अचीव दिस थिंग, तो फिर मतलब कि रह क्या गया. क्योंकि वही बात है, एट द एंड ऑफ द डे आई जस्ट नीड टू बी हैप्पी एंड कंटेंट विद माई लाइफ. So I think whatever goal you make, whatever resolution you make, first of all, remember that you can make it anytime. If you have exams right now, give your exams. Then you deserve to rest for a while and give yourself the time where just you don't think about anything and you're just sleeping till as long as you want and you're watching your favorite shows, you're eating your favorite soup, I was about to say soup, you're eating your favorite food. And just मतलब कि it's very important to give ourselves like those cheat days, and where we can like just not do anything and be lazy and just lay down. I think it's very important, but obviously you would only enjoy those days when you will work hard. I am only excited to sleep every night क्योंकि I worked and I'm tired. If you're not gonna be tired, how you're gonna be excited for your sleep, right? So मुझे लगता है कि in order to enjoy these things, you have to work. So at the end of the day, you can like have your time. I enjoy weekend because I work the whole week. So इस वजह से I wait for the weekend. We love I am excited for spring because it's winter, and the spring gonna like bring a different vibe. So I think when it's summer, we wait for the rain. तो मुझे लगता है कि yes, you have to go through the hardships or the difficult time or the hard work in order to enjoy the relaxing days, and it's very important to have those days as well. I think you just don't need to like make a vision board. I think there's a lot of things that we just watch on things on YouTube, and we're like, I think there's no like there is no like burai in making vision board, but it's not something necessary. And if you, and obviously it's a lot time consuming, so if you don't think it's not necessary, you just need to have a good like paper and a good diary and a pen. You just need to write things down, and don't like, I think for me what works is that I don't be that specific. Like I remember last year I was just so much on oh, I want to have a trip. It didn't happen. I'm not gonna like, अब मैं अपने सर पे नहीं सवार करूँगी क्योंकि if it's meant to happen, it will happen. लेकिन there are some realistic goals, मतलब कि ये भी realistic है, but there are some goals like, oh, I am gonna save this amount of money every month. ठीक है? You write that, or you put a note of it on your phone, so that like when you write it down and when you put it out from yourself, so it's just different. Or you can say कि I am gonna walk this many steps every single day. I'm gonna go on walk every single day. Write that. I think if it's something that your goal is something or it's always like the baby steps. So if right now my goal is कि मुझे professionally बेहतर करना है, so I will update my CV first of all. Then I'll maybe start looking for new jobs if I want to earn more, if I want to get into a higher position. I'll see things, I'll first of all discover things that I need to do in order to be there. I'll maybe write it down, or maybe just like say it out aloud. कभी कभी आपको वो चीज़ें पता होती हैं, लेकिन जब तक आप वो कहते नहीं हो, जब तक आप अपने अंदर से बाहर नहीं निकालते और उस चीज़ के बारे में नहीं सोचते, तब तक वो आपके अंदर ही रहती हैं. Sometimes you know things but you need to get it out. तो मुझे लगता है कि just like make a flow chart or a guide, not even or a bullet point or anything for yourself, because these are things I need to do in order to achieve this. If I want like, और फॉर मी मतलब कि जैसे फॉर मी स्पेसिफिक इज़ दैट कि मैं कहूँ कि आई वॉन्ट टू लैंड अ जॉब इन दिस कंपनी स्पेसिफिकली, I want to do masters from this country specifically, I want to visit this country specifically. I'm keeping my goals open and I'm just seeing कि मेरे लिए initial steps क्या हैं जो मैं करूँ, और मुझे पता है कि I'll just find my way till there. Okay, तो मुझे लगता है कि if you want to do academically better, if you want to improve your CGPA, तो you will say कि मतलब कि I won't say कि मुझे अपना CGPA जो है वो 3.3 लाना है या फिर 3.6 लाना है, क्या 3 से मुझे आगे बढ़ाना है. I'll just say कि I'm gonna work more harder now, जिसका मतलब ये है कि मैं रोज़ का रोज़ काम रिवाइज करूँगी, मैं अपनी असाइनमेंट्स टाइम से बनाऊँगी, मैं क्लास में अटेंटिव रहूँगी, मैं क्लास बंक नहीं करूँगी. मुझे लगता है आप ऐसे रेजोल्यूशंस बनाओ जो कि बस एक पॉइंट पे स्पेसिफिक ना हो, जो कि मतलब कि ब्रेक डाउन हो इन चीज़ों में, ताकि आपको पता हो कि आपने रोज़ क्या क्या करना है। और वो रोज़ मतलब कि, और वो आप मतलब कि स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द ईजी थिंग्स, मतलब कि जस्ट सेइंग कि ओ आई एम नॉट गोना स्किप क्लास इज़ एन ईजी थिंग। ओके, सो यूर जस्ट नॉट गोना स्किप क्लास, मतलब कि यूर जस्ट गोना सिट इन द क्लास। मुझे लगता है कि जैसे फॉर मी, आई this goal just started unintentionally, but with my office, and I live in an apartment, so there's a lot of stairs and I would always use the lift. And one random day I just decided that I'm going to use the stairs, and I've been using the stairs. Matlab कि if I'm not in a rush and I just don't, there's no one waiting, matlab कि there's not someone waiting for me, तो आई यूज़ द स्टेयर्स एंड इट जस्ट मतलब कि इट्स ईजियर. बट अगर मैं ये सोचती कि ओके मुझे अपना वेट इतना करना है, या मुझे जिम जाना है, मतलब कि मैं सिर्फ अपने गोल में ये लिख देती मुझे जिम जाना है या मुझे फिट रहना है, तो वो मतलब मुझे समझ नहीं आनी थी कि किस तरह फिट रहना है या मुझे किस तरह वेट लूज़ करना है. लेकिन आई मेड दिस गोल कि आई वॉन्ट टू जस्ट मतलब कि यूज़ द स्टेयर्स एवरी सिंगल डे, एंड आई हैव अ गुड अपॉर्चुनिटी क्योंकि आई लिव इन एन अपार्टमेंट. तो आई हैव लाइक आई कैन गो अप टू 6th floor, एंड देन मेरी जो ऑफिस है उसमें मेरा ऑफिस 5th floor में है, तो गुड अमाउंट ऑफ स्टेयर्स. तो अगर मैं सिर्फ ये लिख देती कि मुझे अपना स्टेमिना बढ़ाना है, it would not have happened. So we just need to be a little bit like, we need to like do not like exactly put the goal, specific goal कि ये करना है, but put the like baby steps that could help in order to achieve that goal, and for it to be मतलब कि वो इतना जब स्पेसिफिक नहीं होगा ना, तो फिर आप मतलब कि मैंने 2 दिन सीढ़ियाँ चढ़ी हैं सिर्फ, लेकिन आई डिड इट, मतलब कि आई एम डूइंग इट. मेरा स्टेमिना अभी तक नहीं बढ़ा, लेकिन मतलब कि आई नो कि आई डिड इट. तो इट जस्ट हैव दिस लाइक आई हैव दिस सेंस ऑफ अकॉम्प्लिशमेंट. तो मुझे लगता है कि आप 1-2 दिन क्लास नहीं छोड़ोगे तो यू नो कि यू आर वर्किंग टूवर्ड्स इट, एंड यू आर डूइंग इट. I hope that made sense. Like genuinely, I hope that makes sense. But at the same time, I think it's okay if you want to take this year easy. It's okay to go with the flow. Or just remember that every month is a new, मतलब कि you can start your new year whenever you want. You can start your new year after Ramzan, maybe. You can start your new year when your semester starts. You can start मतलब कि you can start whenever you want to. You can always start again, and you will like, that's the best part of it. You can just always start again. You can just always like sleep, मतलब कि just say कि okay, this is clearly not working out, I'm gonna start over. And you can say that, you can take maybe a day off. And I am personally a huge fan, like if you have worked hard, you deserve to have like one day where you can switch off your mind. So I think you will just say okay, I'm gonna start again, and just start again. Every Monday I think is just a new option. Every day I think with sunrise there comes a new opportunity. I know the days have been a little bit gloomy and dark, but the spring's gonna come and we're gonna have, inshallah, a very amazing year. And however it is, I hope at the end of the year we feel peaceful, happy, content, and that's what it means at the end of the day. That what it is, and just like full of happiness in life and gratitude. मुझे लगता है कि however we are, I hope that we do better than we were last year. And I hope that we just enjoy the things that are around us, we appreciate those things, and we just like are productive, and we work towards, जैसे मैं कहूँगी ना, oh I want to be productive, it's like a very like there's just nothing, उसके अंदर कुछ नहीं है. But if I say कि okay, I am gonna organize my closet every weekend, ठीक है, or I am gonna go for a walk every Sunday. This is just more like achievable. It sounds more achievable. Just मैं बोल दूँगी ना मुझे productive रहना है, तो उसका मतलब कि उतना कोई फ़ायदा नहीं होगा. I hope कि it made sense for you. Do not be hard on yourself. Do not push yourself that you do not enjoy things. I hope this podcast helped you, and I wish you guys all the best for this year. I think I said this before as well. Or hopefully whatever you are going through, if anyone is going through a difficult time, hopefully it will end soon, and you will be there where you're supposed to be, and where I hope ke where you dream of being. And yeah, I think that's it. Let me know how this podcast was, and let me know if there's any topic you want me to talk about. I don't know ke if there are or not, or not. I'll just make up topics, cause yeah, that's what I do. And I'll see you guys next Friday, and take care and have a amazing weekend. And I am gonna have an amazing weekend as well, because I'm gonna go out with my friends on Saturday, and we're gonna go to this like market. So it's called Haryali Market, and it will have like live food and a lot of like food stalls, or live food and food stalls, and a lot of like small business stalls, skincare stall, a lot of like businesses. So I am really excited for it. I love these type of like things, because I think you just enjoy a lot. And there's just so much to see, so I'll post about it on my Instagram, probably most matlab if definitely if my phone is like good, and hopefully it will be. uh so make sure you're following me on Instagram. It's at the brown girl rants on Instagram. Or yeah, I'll see you guys next Friday.